everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am showing you how I created this St. Patrick's Day makeup look, or more of the eyeshadow look itself, but I will tell you all the other products that I used. But yeah, I used the Anastasia Subculture palette to create this look, and this is the only eyeshadow palette I used. And I created this look for St. Patrick's Day. I also used it on my lips on top of a lip gloss to make the perfect color combo to go with this eye look. By the way, I do have a giveaway going on right now. You have all the way up to March 28th to enter that. And the Anastasia palette, I do have another one that I bought just for one of you guys, and then I have a few other products in that giveaway. So if you're interested in that, I will leave that little note card right here in the corner. I will also have it in my description box below, and I will have the giveaway video at the end card at the end of this video. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you the eye part of this look. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go into my Anastasia Subculture palette, and then I'm going to go in with this Dawn color, and this is going to be like a transition color. And then the next color I'm going to use is this electric color, which is a gold greenish shimmer, and I'm going to put this on the inner corners of my eye and do like a cut crease effect almost. Then I'm going in with Access, which is a dark matte blue, and I'm putting this on the outer V of my eye. I'm just going back and forth with those two colors. And then I'm going with the Untamed color, and I'm going to basically blend these colors out with that, and then I'll later go back in with the Access color and the electric color just to play around with it until I get the finished look I like. Then I'm going in with my Flower Beauty eyeliner, and I'm going to do a little bit of a cat eye with it. I also use a little brush just so it won't have that hard of edges, if that makes any sense. Then I'm going back in with the Dawn color, and I'm going on the lower lash line on the inner corners of my eye. And then I'm going with the Access color, and I'm going on the lower lash line around the outside edges, just to give that more blended effect and smoky eye. Alright, that is pretty much all I did for the eyeshadow that you see, and I did use, I'll go over the other stuff that is not showed on that clip. I used my Smashbox Primerizer for my face primer. I used my Smashbox Concealer as a concealer, and then on top of that I used my Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation as my foundation. For my bronzer, I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This was a product that me and DD5 did in our box swap, and that should be uploaded the 25th of this month if my box gets to her on time and she has time to record it. If not, hopefully it will be up soon. The highlight that I have on my face right now is the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. This was also in that box swap video that will be posted shortly. I did use this Belle Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara, but to be honest, this is not my favorite mascara. I am going to use it for the rest of this month just to get used out of it, but I will say it's more of a natural looking mascara than I personally like. But if you like just to coat your lashes in black and maybe give a little bit of length and volume, then this would work out for you. But I like the Essence Lash the Lash Princess mascara, I think it was called, that I used last time. That is my favorite mascara, and definitely prefer over this one. But yeah, that's on my eyes right now. I showed you the Flower Beauty eyeliner, and of course I used the Subculture palette. I used my Morphe setting spray to set my face, and also throughout the time I used it on my brushes to pack on eyeshadow just for that extra moisture. And I used the Bare Minerals Groovy Gloss. That is on my lips, but then I topped it off with an eyeshadow off of this. It was the Untamed color that you saw me put on my eyes earlier, for the kind of like a crease shade color. And I also put a little bit of the Electric right in the center and kind of blended it out. So yeah, I used the greens out of that palette. You saw me use the Dawn color for my transition shade. Then you also saw me use Untamed for like a crease shade, to blend it out and make it look not as in your, like, you know, straight lined or whatever. And then I use Access, that blue, dark blue matte shade, to do the outer corners of my eye. And then I used Electric on the inner corners of my eye, and just kind of used Access and Electric to blend out in the center to make it appear like a whole different color. But yeah, that was pretty much it. I used, what, 4 colors? 4 colors to create this eyeshadow look. And I also put the Access, the dark blue matte shade, on the outer corners of my eyes, and then the Dawn shade right in the inner corners of my eye. I believe that's all the products I have on, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, don't forget about the giveaway, where I am giving away a Subculture palette along with a few other makeup products. That is going to be in my description box below and at an end card at the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!